Financial controller job role, practical, experience guidelines and AI contribution. Welcome to the role of a financial controller, where strategic financial oversight meets cutting-edge technology. In this dynamic position, you will not only manage financial reports and ensure compliance but also leverage advanced AI tools to predict trends as well as optimize decision-making. A financial controller plays a key role in guiding the financial health of an organization, balancing the power of automation with human insight to achieve long-term success. Job description. A financial controller is responsible for overseeing a company's financial activities, including accounting, financial reporting, budgeting, and internal controls. They ensure the financial health of the organization by managing risks, optimizing profitability, also adhering to regulatory requirements. Industry profile. Financial controllers play a crucial role in various industries, including finance, manufacturing, services, and technology. With advancements in AI as well as automation, their responsibilities now also include integrating technology for enhanced financial analysis, forecasting, along with decision-making. Key responsibilities. Financial planning and analysis. Lead the financial planning, forecasting, and budgeting processes to ensure accurate financial insights. Reporting and compliance. Ensure compliance with financial regulations, also reporting standards, e.g., IFRS, GAAP, while preparing accurate financial statements. Risk management. Identify financial risks as well as implement internal controls to safeguard assets. Cost optimization. Analyze costs, identify inefficiencies, along with recommend strategies to improve profitability. Team leadership. Manage finance teams, ensuring development and adherence to policies, including coaching junior staff. Technology integration. Leverage AI-driven financial software for better analytics, automated reporting, also decision support systems. Audit coordination. Act as the key contact for external auditors as well as ensure a smooth audit process. Theoretical research. Develop and apply financial models using AI-based predictive analytics to forecast trends, also scenarios. Stay informed about the latest in financial technologies, such as AI, blockchain, as well as cloud computing, for financial transformation. Experimentation. Implement new financial systems that utilize AI for automation of repetitive tasks, e.g., transaction processing, including decision-making algorithms. Use AI along with machine learning tools to optimize financial forecasting and budgeting. At a glance. Your interest. Financial management, data analysis, technology integration, team leadership. Entry qualification. Bachelor's degree in finance, accounting, or a related field, ACCA, CPA, or CFA certification. Lifestyle. Demanding role, often requiring long hours during fiscal periods, hybrid and remote work options are increasingly available. Location. Primarily office-based with potential flexibility for remote work depending on the organization. The realities. This role requires strong attention to detail, constant updating of regulatory knowledge, and the ability to manage teams, also technology. Soft Skills Guide. Leadership and team management to inspire, also guide finance teams. Strong analytical skills to interpret data and make strategic financial decisions. IT proficiency in financial software and AI-driven tools. Commercial awareness to align financial strategies with business goals. Excellent communication skills for reporting to executives and stakeholders. Career path. Trainee. Begin as a financial analyst or assistant, learning the ropes in financial reporting and analysis. Graduate. Progress to roles such as accounting manager or financial reporting specialist, handling larger responsibilities. Postgraduate. With certifications like ACCA or CPA, move into senior financial management roles, overseeing strategic financial initiatives. Further careers. Financial controller. Lead the finance department, ensuring all financial processes and controls are in place. Finance Director. Oversee the entire financial strategy of an organization, guiding financial growth, also expansion plans. Chief Financial Officer, CFO. The ultimate leadership role, shaping the financial future of the organization on a strategic level. Related careers. Financial Analyst. Focuses on financial data to provide actionable insights. Internal Auditor. Ensures that financial processes and controls are adhered to within an organization. Tax Manager. Specializes in tax compliance and strategies to optimize tax liabilities. Risk Manager. Identifies also mitigates financial and operational risks. Treasury Manager. Manages the company's liquidity, investments, as well as risk related to its financial assets. To effectively list practical experiences for a financial controller, we will break them down into key skill areas, alongside recommendations for how to learn and apply these experiences using the latest technology. Financial Reporting and Analysis. Practical experience. Prepare and analyze financial statements, balance sheets, income statements, cash flow reports, also interpret financial data for insights. How to learn. Tools. Familiarize yourself with financial software like SAP, Oracle, QuickBooks, as well as AI-powered tools like Workiva for automated financial reporting. Learning resources. Online courses on platforms like Coursera and Udemy, financial accounting, foundations, or financial analysis with Excel, or certification programs such as ACCA or CPA, which cover financial reporting including analysis techniques. Practical application. Practice by working with real or simulated data in financial software, using the automated reporting functions and analytics dashboards. Budgeting and forecasting. Practical experience. Develop budgets, financial forecasts, and variance analyses to inform strategic decisions. How to learn. Tools. Use AI-enhanced financial tools such as Adaptive Insights, Anaplan, or Planful, which allow automation of forecasting, also scenario planning. Learning resources. Tutorials on YouTube, finance blogs, as well as certification courses on financial forecasting, budgeting and forecasting with Anaplan. Practical application. Work on case studies or company simulations to practice creating forecasts along with budgets, using AI tools to analyze historical data and generate predictions. Risk management. Practical experience. Identify financial risks, implement internal controls, and mitigate potential losses. How to learn. Tools. Learn to use risk management platforms like RiskWatch or AI-powered systems like IBM Open Pages that can predict, also monitor financial risks. Learning resources. Professional courses on risk management, e.g., enterprise risk management from Udemy or Coursera, alongside AI as well as cybersecurity risk management courses. Practical application. Participate in risk assessment projects, utilizing AI tools to assess data for potential risks, including practice setting up internal controls to manage them. Internal controls and compliance. Practical experience. Ensure compliance with financial regulations, IFRS, GAAP, and set up internal controls to protect against fraud and errors. How to learn. Tools. Use compliance software like Compliance AI or MetricStream, which are integrated with AI to automate regulatory updates and flag non-compliance issues. Learning resources. Enroll in online compliance training programs, e.g., compliance, internal audit, and controls, on LinkedIn Learning. Also stay updated with regulatory changes via financial news platforms. Practical application. Create compliance reports using AI tools that automatically track changes in financial laws as well as implement automated workflows for control processes. Team leadership and collaboration. Practical experience. Manage a finance team, provide guidance, delegate tasks, and collaborate with cross-functional teams. How to learn. Tools. Use collaboration also project management platforms like Microsoft Teams, Trello, or Slack, enhanced by AI scheduling and task management tools like Monday.com. Learning resources. Leadership training on Udemy, Finance Leadership for Financial Controllers, as well as team management courses that focus on virtual collaboration using digital tools. Practical application. Practice leadership by managing small projects, utilizing tools to assign tasks, track progress, including facilitate team communication. Technology integration in finance. Practical experience. Integrate new technologies such as AI, machine learning, and RPA, robotic process automation, into financial processes. How to learn. Tools. Explore AI platforms like UiPath for automating repetitive financial tasks, transaction processing, also data analytics tools like Tableau or Power BI for enhanced financial visualization. Learning resources. Take AI for finance courses, such as AI and Automation in Financial Management or Machine Learning for Financial Professionals, available on LinkedIn Learning or Coursera. Practical application. Start by automating small processes like invoice approvals or data entry using RPA tools, as well as gradually move towards automating larger financial workflows, such as reconciliation. Audit and regulatory management. Practical experience. Manage internal and external audits, ensuring compliance with financial also regulatory standards. How to learn. Tools. Learn audit software like IDEA, Teammate, or AI-powered audit tools such as AuditBoard or MindBridge AI for identifying financial discrepancies. Learning resources. Auditing certification courses, e.g., Certified Internal Auditor, or online courses in AI-powered auditing from Coursera. Practical application. Engage in simulated or real audits using AI software that automates audit trails, flags inconsistencies, and assists in audit preparation. Financial data visualization. Practical experience. Present financial data through charts, dashboards, and reports, making it easier for stakeholders to understand financial performance. How to learn. Tools. Master data visualization software like Power BI, Tableau, or ClickView, which are enhanced by AI for generating dynamic, real-time financial reports. Learning resources. Courses on financial data visualization on platforms like Coursera or Udemy, specifically focused on using BI tools for financial reporting. Practical application. Practice creating dashboards and visualizations from real or sample financial datasets. Also explore AI features that auto-generate insights based on data trends. Tax planning and optimization. Practical experience. Oversee tax planning strategies, ensuring compliance while optimizing tax liabilities. How to learn. Tools. Use AI-driven tax software like Thomson Reuters OneSource or Avalara, which automate tax calculations, compliance, and reporting. Learning resources. Tax management courses, also certifications such as the Certified Tax Consultant, CTC, or AI in Tax Planning, offered by LinkedIn Learning. Practical application. Simulate tax planning strategies using these tools to see how AI can help optimize tax positions as well as automate filing processes. By engaging in these practical experiences and leveraging updated technologies, financial controllers can ensure they remain competitive and fully capable of leading finance departments in the AI-driven financial landscape. 8. A contribution to autonomous transformation for financial controller role. Thank you for listening. For more information related to career path, job role, or description, follow our channel Career Quest.